Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use XLOOKUP function in MS Excel. This tutorial video is very important, so complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. So let's start the process. For this, look at my Excel data here. In column 1 there is employee ID, second column full name, third column job title, fourth column department, fifth column business unit. So we have to apply XLOOKUP formula on this data. See, here is employee ID in first column and the second column contain full name, third column job title, fourth column department, fifth column business unit. To apply formula, we have to make a list of all the employee IDs. For this, go to the data in main menu, then select data validation. Select list here and click on source. Select all the employee IDs here and then press OK. See, in this cell, list has been created. Select a random ID here. To apply the formula, simply select all the remaining cells and write equal XLOOKUP small bracket, select employee ID, comma, then select all the employee IDs, comma, select all the remaining table here, close the bracket, then press enter button. See, all the data of this employee ID has been shown here. Match the data sets. Simply change the employee ID in the list and all the records of that ID updated here. Now to center all the data, simply select the data and place it center. So that's how to use XLOOKUP function in MS Excel. If this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching.